Hi, Joe Cerrone. In this video, we're going to take a look at dual extrusion printing of this ring. And so I've gone through and made some videos for how to model the ring and how to create it. And what we're going to do is take a look at how those rings turned out on our 3D printer. So we've printed them using an Ultimaker 3 3D printer. I'm going to take that out of the machine. So we can see that we have build plate adhesion here. And then it's got this little blob on it that's still attached from the priming of the extruder nozzle. We take a look at this under our microscope. We can see that it's pretty good. We didn't get a great deal of detail here in the eyes and in the mouth, but the outside perimeter looks decent. Again, we have good build plate adhesion. And this one turned out a little bit better. I think the eye details came out better. We look at that in the Ultimaker Cura settings. We've got it set at fine 0.1 detail. So here's our Ultimaker Cura settings. And that completes this video.